All right, so we have a 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix 3800 engine V6. It has a OBD2 code of P0446, which is the EVAP emission system vent control circuit is malfunctioning. So we're going to replace the EVAP solenoid today on this car. It's right back here. It is that unit, it is that right there, that piece right there. So this is the replacement part number here. 3470 from Standard Auto Parts. There we go. All right, so first things first is we twist off the oil filler cap. Pops right out. Next we'll pop the engine cover off, give us some access. And then the unit is right back here. Let me grab a light here. So the EVAP solenoid is this piece right here. So it's got the hose connection here, and it's got a electrical connection down here. So we'll pop this hose connection off first. All right, the best way, put some gloves on, getting dirty. The best way to remove the EVAP hose here is to, well, first push it up to one side. I use a little pick just to help me out a bit. Make sure it's fully up, like that. And then it should just wiggle off. Perfect. Put that out of the way. Electrical connection has a tab on the bottom. Squeeze the tab. Pull the electrical connection off. Like that. And that gives us access. Looks like a 10mm bolt. Try not to lose that bolt down in the engine compartment. And then what you do is we loosen that bolt, and then the O-ring will be holding it in place. Just gotta tug on it firmly. And then that's the piece that comes out. So what we'll do now, 10mm bolt, we'll compare the old to the new. You can test that too using a vacuum, but we're pretty sure that's the problem. These tend to go. We'll just double check everything. Pretty close. Connections are the same, standard 2-pin. And we'll go ahead and push that back in. I think what we'll do is maybe put that in there. Line up the nipple. Push it in so you can feel the O-ring kind of seat. And we'll hand tighten that 10mm bolt. piece and you snug that down, not too tight, just nice and snug. Next we'll just inspect the electrical harness. Everything looks good. The weather pack looks in great shape. We're not going to worry about that. So we will come down. Tab goes on the bottom. Push that back in until it clicks. It'll push the EVAP hose back on till it seats, and then push the white tab back in. We'll just give that a little bit extra with our pick. Make sure it's pushed all the way. There we go. Now, in order to clear your codes, you can either disconnect your battery for an hour or so. Sometimes up to 10 minutes works, but I always give it maybe an hour. Or like we're gonna do is we're gonna clear the OBD codes with our code reader. And that's how you remove and replace the EVAP solenoid on your 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix in order to fix the P0446 code. The price from Rock Auto, I think it was about 23 bucks or so. Actually about 20 bucks, I think it was, for this piece. And there you go. Thanks for watching Saucepan's Garage. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.